What is diabetes? Diabetes is not a disease, it is a symptom, but it is termed as a disease. That itself is wrong. Why is it a symptom and not disease? Let us look at what is diabetes. Diabetes is elevated blood sugar level. Is it a disease or a symptom? Why is there an increase in the blood sugar level? Because of so many reasons which you can list out, but the resultant of the reasons is the increased blood sugar level, which means disease is not the increased blood sugar level. The cause of the increased blood sugar level is the disease, which cannot be termed in a single name because there are so many reasons. For example, if the pancreas is not producing sufficient insulin, it's a mistake of the pancreas. If the production of the insulin is in the normal correct limit, but it is not effective, it is a mistake of the insulin. If the receptors are not working properly for a good quality of insulin, the receptors are the mistake. But how can we term everything as diabetes? Because diabetes is a reference for the result of the mistakes, not the mistake. I think we should target the mistakes. If you start treating diabetes, we are assuming we are handling the cause, and thereby we can change the effect. When you treat the secretion of insulin or the receptivity in the cells towards the insulin, you can reduce the blood sugar level. Our intention is not reducing blood sugar level. Our intention is the body should be able to utilize whatever is put inside effectively and naturally. To achieve this, first find the root cause. Now, if you think reduced insulin secretion or reduced quality of insulin or the poor receptivity of the cells are the disease, no, that is not right, because this is the result of something else. There is something which caused these things. What is that? That is what we should treat, and that is what we treat in nature, cure and yoga. The pancreas is not a problem. The insulin is not wrong. The cells are not doing mistake because every other functions are proper. If pancreas is problem, not just the insulin, every pancreatic enzyme what it secretes is going to be wrong. The pancreatic amylase, the pancreatic lipase are also doing something wrong. So where is the problem? Not in the pancreas, not in the insulin, not in the cells. It is something else that we call as lifestyle. You are having a condition called diabetes because the real reason is you ate wrong, you slept wrong, you took bath wrong, you worked out wrong, or you didn't do anything properly. These are the reasons for diabetes. Let us learn about it properly and cure effectively.